Hey guys, welcome back, and finally the rat race that I was in, this JE drop year 11 12th. Yeah, so this JE drop year 11 12th PW sitting in this room for the past 3 years shit finally took an end today, and I mean, I'm really happy now. I'm also very free now. Regarding how bitsat went today, like my shift was 26 S2, and like I won't try justifying that it was a tough paper. If you would ask me, yeah, it was really tough. I revised entire physics nicely, and even though it is my strongest subject, I still found it difficult. I mean, I don't care, man. Let it be. I got 169 in case you guys are interested. There were still people who scored 180, 200, all right, and more than 200. I mean, I was getting more than this in my mocks, and I was giving the mocks without any thorough revision. I don't know what happened in the exam hall. I mean, these type of ambiguous questions don't really come in bitsat, but it is what it is. Let it be. I don't care, man. You know why I don't care? Because I basically got MIT Manipal, and like once the exam was over, I was in my car. Then my father told me that MET results are out, so I checked it, and I got 158 out of 240, which is a good score. And since my board percentage is also good, I would be getting a good rank. The predicted rank came in between 3000 to 5000. I'll be getting the main branch. Maybe I might also get EC. I think, like, I'm not sure at all, but my father was telling me that I might get EC, and if I don't get EC, I will definitely get aeronautical engineering. So yeah, this MIT Manipal is confirmed. If nothing happens, I'm gonna go to MIT Manipal. I'll also fill up the counseling for bitsat, bits, and see how that goes. And other than that, I'm now finally free. Once I came home, I just I couldn't go out today. Like, I just was on call with some of my friends. Then I went with my father to like relearn driving. Like, I had learned driving at the start of class 12, and yeah, now it's around 2 a.m. right now actually. And let's see, I mean, I would make a different video on what are my next plans, future plans, what I'm doing currently, those kind of things. And one thing I can tell you is that what you'd find from this channel is gonna be different than the other channels. Like, normally what you see people are doing is they're still making content around J. I won't make that. I'm done with J. J is my past now. Alright. And the type of content I'll be making, it would basically contain a little bit of lifestyle. It would also contain a little bit of tech. It would also contain lifestyle vlogs, cinematic vlogs. I love making cinematic videos. You would see in the future videos. And I can finally make videos outside of J. I mean, what else can be better than that? So yeah, I definitely have really good plans for this channel, and stay tuned, guys. And very soon I'll be uploading a desk setup video. This is one of the most anticipated videos on my channel, because everywhere people were saying your desk setup is really good. Oh, what a setup you have. Thank you, and all thanks to my parents. So that video is definitely coming up, but there is still a missing piece on this desk setup that is yet to come. So I would wait till that missing piece gets added in this desk setup. Then I'm definitely gonna post a dedicated desk setup video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I would be making a different video on what my plans are for this channel, and stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. We are close to 5k subs. Let's hit it before the next month at least. It didn't happen before bitsat, so the target has extended. Anyways, guys, like, enough talking. I would see you guys in the next video. Bye.